What's up, you guys? Heath with SakeBomb Garage. Want to show you a product that we've been working on for a little bit, and it is a set of air cups for our Ohlins and FPX suspension. So this is a universal air cup. However, we did design it specifically for minimum stack height, so we don't lose as much compression stroke if you're running air cups on a set of Ohlins coilovers or our FPX coilover. So we'll give you a quick walkthrough of what's going on here. So we can set up cars low in the shop here using Ohlins and FPX suspension, but also we use these for race applications. So on our race car, we actually have these installed so we can get the car on and off of the trailer. This allows us to have a static low ride height and not have to jump through a bunch of hoops just trying to get the car on a trailer, towing, etc., etc. So we have these designed for minimum stack height. So you can see as you add this to the shock, it actually takes up some of your compression stroke. So the thickness of this is the loss in compression stroke that you're going to get out of the air cups. We've actually maximized or minimized the amount of total stack height that we use in the process. And then we've also maximized the amount of expansion that we can get out of here. You'll notice in this design, so some of the other designs, they'll use like a snap ring here. We actually have this as one complete billet assembly, so that when the piston extends, it has a built-in stop or a built-in resting surface, so we don't have a secondary snap ring that's in there. So this is a one-piece design. We're coming out with some additional options as far as tanks and full systems, but for right now, our main focus was just to get the cups done, finished, and on the car. So we're going to be supplying these with a universal length of hose that's going to come with all the kits, but for now, customers will be responsible to set up their own air tank solution or compressor, whatever you would like to do. So I'll show you this in action right now. We've got our compressed air right here. We've got the other end of this going to our fitting. So quick overview. Yeah, this works with both our Ohlins and FPX shocks. Anything with a 14mm shaft. It is a full billet assembly and comes with a 1/4-inch airline that's going to be included with the kit. You will be responsible for setting up your own pump and tank. However, in the future, we may be offering like full packages depending on the car and application. Check with us for more details. We should have these ready to ship out in the next 4 to 6 weeks. Take a look at our website for more upcoming products that we'll be working on and releasing in the near future. Thanks so much.